uh, individual element, and we extracted entire table. I mean, we exported that to we export the table data to CSV file, and also we have covered download files. Okay, based on these based on these commands, I'm going to explain you one task today, one example. Okay, in this example, we are going to cover these three. Okay, just watch it. And I just opened this web link, and when I opened that web link, I got this web page. In this web page, I have very lengthy list. Okay, very lengthy list, which is, see, nothing is clickable except this. Okay, when I'm going to click on this, see, I can see the PDFs, different PDF files under this particular category. Okay, under this particular company name, I can see multiple PDF files. Okay, I have to download those PDF files. That is my task. That is my task today. Okay, actually I have the code for that one. Okay, still I'm going to explain you what we are going to what we are doing in it. Okay, let me check. I'm just checking, guys. Okay, I'm going to start a task. New task. So first of all, what we have to do in our process, we have to open the website. After opening that website, yeah, we got the file now. Yes. Okay, first we have to open the website. Go to the web recorder commands. To launch one website, what we have to do, we will go with web browser, open web browser command. I'm just going to open this and entering the URL. Okay, website opening is finished. What I have to save this. Download data task. Now, opening is finished. Okay, if I run this, it will open the website. And my task is to extract all the data on the page. So let me open this. Yeah, it's open. And now we will check whether we can extract this data in table format or not. Okay, first I'm going to take the extract table and I will check the website. Now capture the table. So just my thing is yes, it is in table. So I can extract my data in table format. That is absolutely fine for me. Okay, extracting. Okay, I would like to store that data on the stack. Okay, into CSV file. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new file folder, that is download files. Okay, this is my file path. Here, I'm going to give the CSV name as company list dot CSV. Okay, I just saving it. Fine. Extraction. Let me run this code and we'll check whether it is extracting the data correctly or not. Okay, I'm closing the previous one and now I'm going to run it. Now it is extracting the data. Okay, let's open the file. Whether it is created the file? Yes, it is created. It's created now. Just I'm going to open this file and it is yes extracted. Okay, till 20 lines only. Okay, till 20 lines. So because this is trial version, 20 lines. So we got the exact data. And report also here. Report is here, but it is empty. Because here we do not have any data to extract. It is just giving a link, an image. Okay, now what we have to do? We got the company list in CSV file. Now I want to read each and every row data in the CSV file. How to read rows, each and every row in CSV? Okay, here we have one command. Okay, read from CSV or text. Whenever you double click on it, it is asking you the file. Which file you wanted to read? Yes, it is CSV file, and the file name is company list. Yes, contains headers. Of course, it is. Okay, we extracted along with the headers, right? So it is having headers. And session name, it's up to you. If you want to change, you can change it, or you can just leave it as it is. Just save. Whenever we use this command, read from CSV or text, after giving the inputs, it will give you one loop as well. Okay, no need. It's not like getting all the loops again. I mean, open this one and run this same session for the loop. It's not like that. Anyway, in loop itself, we have the same command, which is like each row in CSV text or file. CSV or text file. Same thing. Whenever you use this command directly, it will give you loop by default. Okay. We have seen each row in Excel dataset. We have seen each row in Internet Explorer, right? In that we have different variables, system variables to extract the raw data. And here also we have one more system variable, that is file data column. Okay, if we use file data column, then we can get each and every row value in it. So it's like, I just wanted to show you the variable. This is the variable, file data column. Okay, whenever you save it. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm displaying each and every first column row data, first column, first cell data in each and every row. Okay, my intention is to extract My intention is to extract this one. Okay, now I'm going to cover one of the most important point as well. What am I supposed to do? First of all, I have to click on corresponding, click on this company's value. Then after, I have to download. And after, I have to go for the second row, second company, and click on here and will download these PDF files. So it is like loop within loop, right? First loop is to iterate the company names, and the second loop is meant for downloading the files. Okay, so we need loop within loop, and the thing is to get the before going to inner loop, before going to download the PDF file, we have to click here, right? We have to click here, or see, this is other alternative method. Okay, either you can click here, or you can copy the company name and get data. Whenever you click on get data, you will get all the files. Either way is going to work. Okay, here if you are going to take object cloning, I'm going to select the, yes, this is my window page, window title, NSE, National Stock Exchange, capture, it's taking time. Yeah. So here we have to perform the click action. Okay, just mouse click, whatever the click you are going to use, mouse. We have to use that. Fine. But we have same kind of images everywhere. Okay. How Automation Anywhere knows which button has to be clicked? How Automation Anywhere come to know this click button belongs to this particular company name? Okay, let's check whether we can find anything related to properties. Okay. See, every image will have the same image. Let's find something else which is going to make us something different. Okay. Let's find table data historic. Okay, except DOM path, we cannot get anything. We cannot use anything. So instead of, I'm just trying to, I'm trying to tell you to solve the problem in different ways. Okay, I tried the first way, like just corresponding value has to be clicked here. Okay, but whenever you are trying to capture these properties are not varying. It is not making difference from this one to this one. Okay, using object cloning, we are unable to find any difference. Like it is not having any company name over here. Okay, in these properties, it is not having any company name. So we have to go for the alternative. What is that? We have to set the company name here and get the data. And after downloading these files, what we have to do? Again, enter second company name and enter data. So like this, we have to like this we have to download each and every file. Okay, now extraction is finished. Company name, we have the company names, and the thing is we have to set the data here and click on get data button. So we have to implement these two actions now. What are the things? I have to set the data. Okay, let's go for auto cloning and take the window name and capture the company name text box. Yes, I wanted to set something here. I want to set something here. What I have to do? Yes. Here I have to set 1, 2, 3 company name, right? 1, 2, 3. Third column. So file data column of 3. Okay. Again, what we are supposed to do? We have to click on get data. Again, object cloning you can take. We'll do something different. I'm just checking whether it's going to work or not. Yes, it will. I just used manage web controls. Okay. You may ask me, I mean, why you are not using object cloning? We can use object cloning. That is absolutely fine. Or you can use this one as well. But the difference is object cloning is going to get all the properties, but it is not getting the, I mean, manage web controls is not going to get all the properties. Okay, it will get very few. If you want to add something, you can add. I don't find anything to add. Okay, just let it be, no problem. Okay, just click. So click operation. So it is performing, entering the data and click on get data. So after clicking that, what we supposed to do? Just let me enter this company name here, yeah, and get. And now again what we supposed to do? If I click on this, one file will be downloaded, right? One file will be downloaded. We have extract data, right? Extract pattern data to extract all these URLs, right? We can extract the pattern data with URLs, right? So what I will do, I will use extract data. I will take one task. I'm going to just give me a second, guys. Yeah. To get the pattern data, what I'm doing, I'm taking the web recorder. In this web recorder, what I will do, company name, enter that here. Yeah. And it is asking me pattern based. Now click next. What is the pattern? I want to do this capture and second element. It is asking me to enter me the column name. Now what am I supposed to do? I wanted to download this file, right? So if I have URL, I can use download file command, right? So I'm going to extract the URL. So file URL, and I'm going to get URL and save it. Okay, so this is only the column that is enough for me. right? That is only the column enough for me. So I'm taking that. It's not in multiple pages. That is fine. And next, and if you wanted to extract to CSV, we can mention the CSV. Yes, I want to extract it. So because later I will directly use those URL file. Fine, finish. Okay, stop recording. I got this. Test a task, you can say. I did going to edit it. I will use this. I will copy the data. I will copy this code to my task now. Generally, we do this. There is extract data, extract multiple tables. Yes, this is the thing that I need here. Extracting. Extraction is finished. Okay, extraction is finished. You can, sometimes we may not get the direct options, then we will go for recording and we will get that. And we will use the copy and we will use the sample code, whatever we require here. Okay, first let me run this code. I'm just going to close this. Set. Second. No. Okay. Now here it is having append. Maybe it might have. Okay. I'm running the code now. Till extraction, it is finished. See, it is entering the data. It is extracting, okay, for each and every file. Yeah. Sorry guys, we have to wait it. There is no other alternative for this. Try version, so it is asking to buy to extract all the columns. It is running for all of them. All 19 records. Okay, extraction is finished. Let me check URL file now. Yeah, this is the URL file which we got. So sorry. Okay, extraction is something don't happen with this. Let me check the source code, how we can extract the URL of this file, PDF file. Let me search for this. Oh. I think it is, they are using some different programming to get it. Okay, whatever it is, whatever I see that is not there. So what I will do, I'm trying to extract, I'm trying to find the data. How we can get this. Okay guys, I have to change the forward because it is extracting the exact image of this. Okay, here you can see the image download PDF icon. It is just extracting the download PDF icon, but my intention is to get this PDF link. Okay, and I have to make some changes in that extraction. Okay, let me edit. So what I can do, I have to extract the data again like this. Machine got stuck. This is, yeah, let me take one more. That is my task. This is the one. I'm just opening it again. So guys, these are like, you know, whenever you are programming, we might face this kind of problems. Okay, sometimes we will get direct anchor tag, so we can download it, no problem. But instead of getting anchor tag, if you got something else, that will be a problem. Okay, just like now I did it now. So same thing, you have to try in which way we can get the URL of that particular file. So I'm trying to open this. Let me get the URL from outside. Yeah. Start it. Here, company name should be 20 microns limited. Yes. And take that and click on extract it. Yes. Now extract pattern data and regular. Next. And here we have two. It's complete. We are not able to capture it. So what we can do instead of extracting this, can we do extract table? But here instead of column 4 download report, I have to get something else. We'll see whether we can find any other options. No. So we cannot use that. Then what else we can do? Let me find some other alternative solution for this, like using object cloning. Let me check whether we can do it using object cloning. What's wrong with this? See, here it is not performing very well, but when I was doing that, yeah, let me explain you the same code here. Let me explain the same code. It is getting stuck. Okay. So same thing what we are doing. I will explain this code here. Okay, the thing is we are opening the website which we did and extracting the data entire thing in a data table. Yes, we did. And then after we started load for each and every CSV file. Okay, in this we are entering the company name and clicking on the command button. I mean just click on get data button. So this one, entering the company name and clicking on button. And then after what I did, and there is one more extract table. Okay, extract table. In this extract table, I just tried to extract the entire table, and here extract selected tags. Okay, it is asking me to customize it. Okay, it is asking me to customize it. Like I'm going to take the hyperlink is nothing but here. I mean, who are not having programming background, I'm just explaining you this. Yeah, this is anchor tag actually. Anchor tag is nothing but it is going to provide you to click a link. I mean, sometimes we have seen like if you want to unsubscribe, click here. Here will be in blue color and underlined. So such kind of stuff. Let me check this code. Yes, this is image tag which you can see on this page is image tag, and this image tag is under anchor tag. Whenever you click on it, then this PDF file will be open. This PDF file will be open. So what I am trying to do is, see, I am trying to capture the variable. I mean, I am trying to capture the URL from that hyperlink. Tag name is the hyperlink, and attribute is this. Okay, here I have to change the path. Here this one. Yeah, I'm trying to capture the URL and I'm saving it. Okay, this saving part is done. I mean, extraction is done. Okay, what I did, I just extracted the data from a hyperlink and I saved it. And now again, I'm taking the loop for each and every row in the CSV. First of all, what I will do, I will try to run, and if you got any error, I will try to fix it and disable this. Okay, we'll watch whether it is going to run properly or not. I'm just going to run it. Let me close the previous one. Yeah, program is running now. Opening website, and second line command will be, see here you can see the lines. Second line command is extracting all of them. It is extracting all of them. make whatever the list that we have. Yes, this entire list. Line numbers 2, unable to save it. Why? Opened it. Open that. While opening this file, okay. Let me delete this file as well. I have to open it. Yeah. Extracting this. Now it is executing for each and every company. 3 India Limited, and once the page is loaded, yeah, it's due to internet slow maybe, or website not responding or something. Yeah, it is for next company. It will do this for all 900 companies or whatever we have. It is licensed version in my local machine, so it is running for all of them. I'm going to stop this. Why? Because I just wanted to see whether it is extracting the URLs or not. I just wanted to see that. Okay, I'm just closing this one. Yeah. Now open this, and this is one of my Excel files. See, it is extracting the PDF files path. It is extracting the path. So we got all the files, and now we can run the same file. I mean, we can open the same file, we can read the file, and we can pass the same URL to this. Okay, in my CSV file, it is in first column, right? It is in first column. So my first column value, download URL, I'm going to pass that. I'm going to pass that and saving somewhere at company name or full name. Why I'm using this? I'm just going to get a folder name or file name. I just want to edit it. I'm downloading a file from this URL, file data column, and saving in this location. Okay, here the company name is a variable which I have created, and also the file name which I have created. Okay, from where I'm getting, see here file column 1 the name. Okay, I'm just trying to get the end of that. This file name. This is file name. I'm extracting the file name using this and saving in the file name. And from where I can get the company name. From here, I mean after extraction of this, I can get the company name inside, right? I'm entering the company name and all. What I'm doing before using the company name, what I'm assigning file data column 3, third one, to my company name. I'm using those two variables here and I'm saving it. What I will do now, I will run this code and I will stop in the middle because it is having a very huge list. It is having very big list, Around 1500 companies, 1525 companies. So I don't want to run for all of them. I would like to run for very few, and after I will close it. I will check whether it is downloading the files or not. Let's make sure you close to it. You have only one window. Now it is downloading the files. For second company, it is downloading the files. Third company, it is downloading the files. Fourth, fifth, like this. Let me check whether we can see the files. Yeah, it is creating the folder with company name, and inside that, where is that? It didn't download anything. It didn't download anything. Why? Let me check. I'm stopping it, guys. Just let me check. If I use this, can I download the file or not? Let me check that first. So whenever you wanted to troubleshoot, you just do the same thing with manually. If it is working fine, it means it is downloading. It is asking me to download the file. Yeah, but why my machine is not downloading this file? I'm taking this from a delimeter, contains this more. And this is my file. Yes, absolutely. Path is correct. And it has to download those specific file. In case of file, continue, start task. Let me check. I'm going to check whether I'm getting the correct URL here or not. I'm just trying to debug my code, guys. I'm not doing anything. I'm trying to debug my code. That's it. Extracting the data. It failed actually. So it is not downloading the files. Why? Let me I'm just making a try. That's it. You might have in confusion, like you might see this code. Okay, what is this exactly? I'll explain later. But let me debug this. What exactly going on with this code? Why download file is not working? Extracting. Okay. Open that. It is need to open. There's no solution. This is my 10 version. Okay, anyway, code is this. Okay, I will debug why it is not working. I will tell you the reasons of what's happening with this code. Meanwhile, let me try with my last try. He's trying to. Let me use the same code. Let me execute the same code in 10th version. Whether it's going to work or not, we check. Three. I'm just changing the file paths, nothing else. Where else I can use this? I'm not doing anything, I'm just changing the file paths. Let me run and check whether it is going to work or not. It will extract very limited. Oh, change that. I'm running it again. Okay, don't worry. In real time, if you are going to work with any real time project, definitely you will face such kind of issues. Now it is running perfectly, and I'm going to open the source file. Just open it, and this is the first company. It has downloaded that PDF. Okay, it's something sometimes like machine dependent or version dependent. What I will do, I will take this download file, and here I'm going to give this input. We'll check whether it's going to work or not. My intention is to get this. Okay, let me close this. Okay, it is downloading each and every file. See here, when I okay, you will see the file here. It is downloading the file properly now. And let me run the same code. I mean, I just extracted this one. We'll check whether it is going to work or not. Let it run. Guys, it happens in production as well. I mean, in real time. Just try to check, try to rebuild the code. I mean, that particular command which is not working. Yeah, it might work. Extracting data 1526 records. Change the code again. And just for your information, the license version which I have is 9, and whatever the execution, successful execution, this is 10th version. And the code which I'm trying to run, that was built in 10 version only 10.3. Now I'm trying to run the same code in here, but it is not downloading the code as we think. It is creating the folder, but it is not downloading. Okay, let it be, whatever. So maybe version dependent, or maybe operating system related issues, whatever the things. But this is how it is. Okay, every file. See, it is downloading each and every file. So it is downloading the second company file. Here you can see that. Yeah. So the code is working in that way. So it is working fine in 10, but it is not working fine in 9. So because I'm thinking like if this was developed in 10th version, so I'm trying to run the same code in 9. So it is creating that problem. Okay. Okay. In this session, I just covered extracting data. Where is that? Yeah, extract. Again, we are extracting all the tables and we are downloading the files, and also I have covered the loop. Which loop? Read CSV loop. Read CSV for each and every. Yeah. And any new things that we have learned so far? No. No. I will explain this error handling later. Okay, this is download file, and we have to use the URL here, and this is your saving location. That's it. I'm not doing anything. The task is like I have to open a website, and in that website I will get a table. We have to extract the table, and each and every company. I mean, the table contains the company's name. So each and every company will have different PDF files. Our task is like we have to create a folder for each and every company, and inside that folder we have to download that company related PDF files. Okay, so each and every company, every downloaded report has to be saved in 3i Infotech Limited. Okay, that's what we teach. Any questions, guys? Apart from that compatibility issue, I will check, or I will try to rerun the code, or I will try to redevelop the code in 9th version, and I will check whether it is working in 9 when I'm filling the same code in 9th version. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay. Thank you, Vinay. Okay, please try this one, or else if you need, you can copy this URL. I'm just pasting the URL in chat box. You can copy that URL from chat box and you can try at home. Okay, I hope you everyone has installed the automation anywhere in your machines.
Oh no, Ashok.
Okay.
Do you have that video, Ashok?
Yes, we have that video, and you can contact the reception, JIT reception, so they will provide you the URL.
So I
Video.
just called a couple of times and asking. Let me check and not.
Yeah, I mean, day before yesterday or yesterday itself, I provided that one to them. I have sent that. Okay. Yeah, they have that one, so definitely they will provide you. No problem.
Okay. On a daily basis, you can after class, maybe you can after 1 hour later or 2 hours later, you can provide in a couple of hours later, so they can upload that document in there because we are not doing any practice. So.
Okay. Okay, I got your point. The thing is, whenever available, I'm uploading the video. I mean, if I'm recording myself, I'm uploading the video and I'm providing. If I cannot get the time, then it may take like one day or in the evening or next day itself, you will get the recording, entire recording. Okay, it's my timings issue. If I record myself, then I can. It will be delayed, maybe 1 hour, maybe 1 day. Definitely, you will get next day. That's for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to close the session, guys. I hope no questions.